Check, check. Mic check. Yeah, you guessed it right. Back by popular demand, upgraded voice. Today I'm working with a client doing a ponytail sweep. Her hair is going back natural, so I enjoyed working with it. In case you guys have had any kind of difficulties with certain style doing a hair that is going back natural or is natural, I hope you can learn something from this short tutorial today. Now first, of course, you want to part the section of the hair that you're going to use to do the sweep. And then you apply your jam as usual to refine the part and get that part as neat as possible. Now what you'd realize is that her ear at the front is short, so you may need to apply some kind of hair to the front to get the sweep to the desired length, and so that it's able to meet the back where the ponytail is. In her case, we'll be using Solo Express 12-inch. Now you wanna next get this back of the hair catched up in one, so it's out of the way so you can get sweeping. Now to get the sweep done, of course, you part a small section of the hair and then you sweep it to the back, applying jam as you go along. Now as I mentioned, her hair is not of the desired length to get the sweep to meet the ponytail at the back, so we'll be installing Solo Express. You want to measure the Solo Express so it matches the thickness or width of the sweep, and then apply your hair glue and then install it. Apply your jam and sweep it to the back just like you did with her natural hair. Now a trick to this, to prevent the hair looking too thick or obvious that you used any kind of false hair, is to use the client's hair and cover each installation that you're doing with the Solo Express or whichever hair you're using. So again, you'd realize I use the client's hair, cover the Solo Express, and then I'm installing another piece of the hair. Same thing, apply the glue, install the hair, and then apply the jam and sweep it to the back, and then part a small section of the client's hair using jam to cover that false hair. Now you don't want to have a finished look where you're actually seeing the root of the false hair and seeing where the glue is installed, so you want to always install the hair in the sweep and use the client's hair in each section to cover. Now I must tell you, I enjoyed doing this sweep because I realized that it's difficult, and I realized it's an opportunity to share with you guys. I know a lot of you have commented that you have been learning from my videos. I am glad that that is the case. So feel free to share this video or any of my videos with others so that they can learn as well. And feel free to share your feedback in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, of course, welcome. I appreciate every single supporter, and I return support once you have a channel as well. Now as we install the last part of the Solo Express, we're going to use the client's hair again to cover, and then as you can see, you get a finished look where it's not obvious that you added any hair at all. And then next we're going to move to the ponytail. Now for the people that has been asking about natural hairstyles that is coming soon, I do have a few natural hair clients that I'll be working on, so I'll definitely be doing a few more tutorials with natural hair. Now when you get to the back where the ponytail will be done, as I said, the client's hair is going back natural, so you'd realize some of the hair is sticking out, and you want to just apply as much jam as possible when you're catching it up. And right here I'm joining the sweep with the ponytail and applying any amount of jam necessary to get it as neat as possible. Her hair, the back was completely natural, so that's even more difficult than the relaxed section. Now the length of the ponytail, her hair doesn't match the length that she desires, so we're gonna just braid in or plait in some hair to get the length. You know, she wants it to pass her shoulder, so you'd realize I'm just adding some hair here to get the length. Then I'll be applying or installing the Solar Express 12-inch, applying the hair glue, and then we're gonna start at the tip or the tail of that ponytail that we just braided. What we're gonna do is just squeeze the glue onto the tip and then bring the Solar Express here around, going towards the root. So you're going up. Each time you want to apply your glue, of course, got to make sure each section that you're spinning around has glue, and you'd realize that because you're going in a circle, the hair will get a bit twisted, so you want to stop a few times and just get it loosened, make sure that it's straight. Then of course you get back to applying your glue and then just going around. Now if you have reached this far in the video, thank you again for watching. Feel free to share with a friend and have them share with a friend. Feel free to leave a comment. All feedback is appreciated and will be answered as soon as possible or if necessary. If you have not liked the video as yet and you do like it, then go ahead and hit that like button. If you have not subscribed as yet, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my contents, and turn your notification bell on so that as soon as I post a video, you're notified. And of course, if you're using a mobile phone, it doesn't, if you turn a notification on but block YouTube's notification, you will not be notified. So you want to make sure that your notification is on for YouTube in your phone. Now as we go to the base of the ponytail, we're going to just use a small section of the hair and wrap it around. Now what we're going to do to make sure that the ponytail stays in place and looks as neat as possible is take a section of the hair and then apply either jam or got2b, whichever one you have handy, and then we're going to just wrap it around the base of the ponytail to get that neat finish. Now a part of this, I didn't realize that it wasn't being recorded, but after applying the jam to get the sweep, I did blow dry the jam, and then next move to flat ironing the ponytail. Of course you want to get that bouncy finish as you can see here, and you want to get the hair as straight as possible. Then I apply your olive oil or whichever oil you prefer, and you get this perfect look right here. Even though our hair is going natural, you still get that finish that you're aiming for. So once again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have not subscribed as yet and you do like my content, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, and feel free to share.